Hey friends, my name is Ali and welcome to my YouTube channel. And today in this video I'm going to show you how you can get Adobe Premiere Pro latest version in your PC. Let's jump to the video. Before jump to this video, make sure you subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more latest and amazing videos. First of all, go to your browser and type the website here. Click on the first link and now search here Premiere Pro. Press enter. I'm sorry. And now scroll down and here you can see the latest version of Premiere Pro is here. Scroll down and here you can see the download button. Click here to download and remember the password. So I already have download. I do not need to download this. Right click on this and click on extract here and wait for few seconds to extract this file. Now open this folder and now first of all, before opening this, make sure you disconnect your internet from your PC. Double click on this setup file and click on yes, and here you can see your Premiere Pro is now installing. Wait for few minutes to install this. While it installing, make sure you like this video and subscribe my YouTube channel for more latest and amazing installation and tech videos. Now as you can see here, click on sign in later and your trial version is start. Wait few seconds, click on accept and your Premiere Pro is now ready. Let's have a look of Premiere Pro. Now you can easily skip this menu and click on file, and you can also create new files here, new project, open project and everything which you need to install and edit the video. And if you like the today video, please subscribe this YouTube channel and also press the bell icon for more latest amazing and installation videos. Thanks for watching. Take care. Goodbye.